Okay, I just picked myself up a 2.3 kilohertz Collins filter for the Yaesu FT-897D, and I thought I'd pop the cover on this thing and show you inside and show you the filter, show you where it goes, and then show you how to use it. And then we can observe the differences in audio quality there. So anyway, I'll just tell you what I did so far. I pulled the 8 screws of the outer perimeter of the cover on the top of the radio. You're going to want to remove a speaker wire, which goes just in the corner there. The plug on the far back left corner is for the speaker wire. I disconnected that. That's just hanging here. Okay, so then you're going to want to just pull the cover off, and if you want, you could even disconnect the battery switch wires. I'm not going to. I'm just going to let this hang here. That seems pretty sturdy. So anyway, so now we got the cover off, and I'm really surprised to see that there's not dust balls and what have you all throughout this rig, because I haven't really treated this rig like I should be, and it ends up in some rugged places. Is that a stink bug? There is a stink bug on my radio. That's not cool. Let me take care of that. Okay, the stink bug has been taken care of. Hopefully there's not more stink bugs down in there. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so back to the filter. You pop the cover off, and it's pretty self-explanatory. If you haven't looked at an instruction sheet, you don't really need to. You simply pop the cover off like I just did, and look, it's even labeled for you here in the back left-hand corner of the radio on the top as the faceplate is facing you. You're going to see it's labeled filter 1 and filter 2. I'm going to occupy the filter 1 space with this filter. And again, it's self-explanatory. One side has 3 connections and the other side has 4. So you can't get it wrong. Here we go. I say that, watch me get it wrong. Okay, simply lined up the pins and pushed it down into place. Feels pretty secure, not going anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid back on. Hardcore high-tech work here. Alright. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't hook the speaker up. Okay, so I'm going to need both hands to do that. So anyway, I'll get the speaker hook back up, put the screws back in, we'll turn the radio on, and we're going to do some comparisons here.
Okay, KP3TQO, WB3JPZ. Yeah, we took it right down to the 9-minute mark, time to ID.
Yeah, say again there, I was messing around with the filter. Go ahead.
I'll say I just put battery in my countdown. I just put a battery in my countdown timer. It's took it right down to time to ID.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's one thing I have a lack of here is batteries. Anyway, yeah, this filter is pretty weird. I actually thought it was going to narrow the audio down, but it seemed to open, it really seemed to open the voice up and kind of like suppress a little bit of noise in the background. So, yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it overall.
Too bad that's not bearable.
What was that? Say again?
Say again, too bad that's not a variable filter where you could set it for whatever you want.
Yeah, QSL. Yeah, that's unfortunate it's fixed, but I mean, I still have a notch filter and a high pass and low pass built into the radio as well that are adjustable, so I'm not at a total loss anyway. It gives me a little wiggle room to play with anyway. I think the The low pass, I think, runs, I'm sorry, the high pass runs 100 hertz to 1,000 hertz, and I think the low pass runs 1,000 hertz to 6,000 hertz. So it gives me a little wiggle room there. WB3JPZ KB3TQO.
Okay, fine, Chris. KB3TQO, WB3JPZ. Just looking at Adrian here climbing around. Man, she is skinny with no hair on. I gotta get this kid a jacket.
Yeah, that's funny. Did you get some pictures of the cat? Maybe I could get some slow scan TV going here and you can send me an image.
No, I don't have anything yet. I'll wait till tomorrow and get something when it's light outside.
Yeah, okay, very good. Very good. Alright, I'll tell you what, it's getting kind of chilly down here in the basement.